the phone. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Dre creep to the mic like a
Hi guys, this is my first big day to camp in River Ranch. Take a look. We're going to Philippine Camp Out Squid Game.
See you.
See you. Bye.
So, hi guys, quick pit stop lang dito sa Pililla, Rizal. Bili lang kami ng mga ice and mga iba pang need dito sa Alpha Mart. Yung mga ibang tropa natin buhay, ito na sila. Sila Boss Kenzo, sila Boss M, si Miss Cherry, si Eman, and friends. So, right now it's 11:58. Ang ETA namin ay 1 p.m. Tatanong ko ni Boss M ni Boss Kenzo ng ETA, di ko sinasabi. Kala nila malapit na. Pero may spot naman daw. So, yun. Kita-kits tayo mamaya sa River Ranch.
Ganito mamaya ako mag-PC. Ayun o. Labol yun. Galing o. Ito o.
Yun. Ito daw pagong na to kung nakikita nyo. Ang nibigay ng problema kay Boss M. Dapat naka-30 tilapia na. Kaso basag trip yung pagong.
Kanin na ilog, Nash. Malakas pa alon. Dito wala na eh. Damis daw. Sakto pinipicture ang bumalentong.
Ang inalagi. Lagi ko parang...
Makikita mo yung aso sa kabila tumatay. Nakaligo ka na ba sa basura? Hindi mo pag mataas ang ilog, wala yan.
Wala yung...
Yan. Down na yan. Yung sinagasak mo.
Huwag mo na akong kalabitin. Kasi binigyan na kita eh. Bakit? Ano?
Huwag mo siya tingnan. Para papansin. Ayaw mo, kinagat ka bigla.
Nangangalabit ka.
Kinagat ka ayaw.
Nangangalabit ka.
So yun, day 0. Phil Camp Out 2025.
Cheers!
Sarap buhay! Pala, bagong recruit daw, Boss Jack, oh. Si Oliver.
Yeah.
Tama, oh. Oliver. Ang Oliver niya, masusubukan ang liver sa sarap buhay. Si Boss Oliver. Ang ating bagong recruit sa sarap buhay. Kamusta po?
Okay naman, boss.
So, pakita lang natin yung yung setup ni Boss Oliver before. Yan, tingnan nyo. Kasi magugulat kayo sa setup niya ngayon.
Gusto ko nasa likod na to.
Ang lapit guys, kasi pag tinignan nyo, di ba? Parang yung mga ito nga yung pinag-uusapan namin kanina. What we're focusing right now. na gusto kong mag-pick up yung RTT nasa likod. Ito na siya ngayon. Ang idea is maglo-lower kami nung RTT namin. Ang hirap kaya i-set up pag sa taas ng SUV. Tama ba, boss?
Totoo.
Yes. Tapos siya, alam mo yun, natapos niya na yung setup na gano'n. And then, all of a sudden, nagbago siya. So, kanina, inikutan namin yung rig niya. Papakita ko to sa inyo mamaya. Pero, bakit kaya gano'n, boss? What made you change your mind?
Unang-una dun sa 2 years na sa ano yun eh. Nasa taas. So, unang-una yun sa vertical clearance sa mga parking area. Nahihirapan talaga akong pumasok. Usually mga 2.2, yung iba nga 2.0 yung vertical clearance. So, hindi talaga ako nakakapasok. So, open parking lagi ako naghahanap ng... So, nahasela na rin si Mrs. Kaya nakapag-decide kami na ilipat siya sa likod. So, nung pinalipat namin sa likod, after 2 months naman, pinatanggal ko lang din siya ulit. Binili ko lahat sa all stock. So, kaya nakapag-decide kami na ganitong setup na kami ngayon.
Tapos, nung binalik niyo siya sa all-stock setup, so, ito na yung parang black dog setup niya, no?
Ito. Yung black, all black na talaga, black camping.
Oo. Parang in terms of, parang yung bilis mag-setup, saan ka mas
Sa totoo lang, kung gusto mo ng mabilisang setup, dun sa dati kong setup na ginagawa, RTT, tapos 180, yun talaga mabilis. Kahit mag-isa kang talagang 2 minutes, 3 minutes,
kaya eh.
buka mo na. Pagbuka ng RTT, tapos yung 180 mo na, kahit 270 ka, mabilis. Pero itong setup, lahat talaga to, bit-bitin lahat. Kaya talagang iba ngayon. First time ngayon namin ginawa tong ganitong setup.
Hello, over. Hi. Here, in River Ranch.
Where?
River Ranch. Tanay, Rizal. I'm at Philippine Campout Squid Game 2025.
How's your off-roading experience?
Good, of course.
What did you feel?
I feel good.
Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah, okay. I was so happy there, and then they gave me a chain.
Gave you a chain.
Yeah. Here's
WM?
it's the black one. The black box. It's this.
Okay. Can you show us what's inside? Wow. It's your badge from GWM. It's your...
Mama, we're gonna go over. I know how to.
Really?
Yeah.
Doon madami pang tusok-tusok eh. Di ba? Pwede, free lang naman.
May juice!
Pera ang mga first chance natin. Paunahan na lang. Last 1 minute.
Wow.
Campers?
Apa.
Are you
There's-
having a blast?
Yep. Oh, we're gonna swim there?
Yes, later. Are you having so much fun?
Yeah.
Where's your smile naman? Love
Thank
you.
you for papuntahin us here.
I love you, bro.
Love you too.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Kung kita nyo sa likod ko, that's around 300 plus yata na campers, and then I think 200 plus na rigs. This is happening right now at River Ranch here at Tanay Rizal. The event is Philippine Campout 2025.
What the Sigma? Give up!
Oh, you are all wearing Philippine Camp Out t-shirt. Oh, you are number 456. Where is Let's go here. Come here first. Come here.
Wait, let's see.
Let's go over here.
Yan, dun yung starting line sa
Let's
may
go
Tigers.
over here. Backwards, move backwards.
Squid Game guards! Scary! They look scary! Scary much!
Practice tayo.
They're scary Squid Game guards! It's been my first time seeing them in real life! Yeah! Stop! Oh, stop! Oh, stop!
Okay, ready? Check natin. Clear na po ba?
Tingin sa'yo sa inyo yung guards, ha? Okay.
Ganado!
Do you saw me jump so I can win?
Okay? Music, DJ. Practice muna, ha? Dance, come on, dance. Kailangan nagda-dance. Ikot kayo, ikot. Ikot. Umiikot. Kailangan umiikot.
Yeah!
Cha-cha! Come with me! Wait, why?
Dance. You need to dance.
Ay, yung wala. Sino yung walang five?
Sally.
The card sale?
Yeah?
You got eliminated.
Form 1 line.
How's the game?
I need
Saan
two
ang
guards
guards?
over here.
Ayun.
I need two guards here.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Was fun?
They're so scary.
Okay guys, so this wraps up Philippine Camp Out 2025 here at River Ranch, Tanay. So on a normal day, ito yung itsura ng campsite. See? Very clean, very green. Then ito yung river nila. Yan, so yung water is very clear. It's not so cold, maliliguan siya. So, ito si Ish. Yan, nagpapalipad siya ng drone. Puntahan lang natin yung CR kasi maganda i-flex yung magagandang CR na camping sites eh. So, ito yung CR nila for yung mga campers na gusto maayos at malinis. Yung CR, yan, pag tinignan nyo, kuha tayo isang sample. So, yan, ganda ng shower, oh. Ganda ng loob. Naka-tiles siya, merong bucket. Bahala ka na kung gusto mo mag-shower or naka-bucket. So, dito sa campsite, meron silang natural pond. Ayan, nakausap na namin si Boss Justin. So, nandito na siya before pa maging River Ranch, si River Ranch. Then, ayun, yun yung rig ni Boss Justin. Then, ito yung family house daw nila. Grabe naman. Ganda na ng drone, ganda pa ng pilot. Paano yun? Ganda pa ng shirt. ESD1.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking